to us. We're Maltese.
Exactly.
Exactly. I hope I don't have lettuce in my teeth. Hey girls! My name is Shirley.
I'm Sharon.
And we are the Shares. As you can see, we're in a different section of the room. We are in the kitchen and we're going to make lettuce wraps. We're going to try to avoid wheat, so we're going to be using the lettuce instead of the
tortilla base.
The tortilla base. Exactly. So we chose smoked salmon, tomato, cucumber,
garlic feta cheese.
And obviously, if you don't like this filling, you can choose whatever filling you like.
Yeah. So basically what we're going to start with is you're going to slice the tomato in thin slices.
And are we going to do...
And thin slices of cucumber.
Like long ones, or you want them?
It's okay, it's what you prefer. It's up to your liking, okay?
Preferium diced tadam slices.
Slices is good, yeah. I mean, we can put them very, very small because sometimes, you know, it gets overpowering. Yeah, bite size. We want to open the salmon. It's the first time we bought this.
There's oil in it, so be careful, yes. And you never bought that?
No.
I like it. Sometimes I make salads with that. Because it's like, oh, you need this.
Yeah.
Because it's like ham, but it's not, you know, like...
Oh, okay, it has oil.
I don't feel like it's super healthy to put it out there like salmon. Yeah. You got... Oh, yeah.
I got splashed by oil.
Alright, so... You think you like it?
Yeah, it's fine. It's smoked salmon. So I'm gonna
drain some of it because it will be like too much.
What I'm gonna do is I'm going to dry off the lettuce leaves. I just wash them to take out any excess dirt, and now I'm going to dry them so when we put, you know, our fillings, it's not that wet, you know.
I don't think they had any pesticides.
No.
The lettuce, because a clear sign that it's organic kind of thing. Is that there's any bugs or, you know, insects in the lettuce. So that shows that there was no pesticides used.
Correct. Basically, why we are choosing to do this type of, you know, channel, it's because that we are trying to find out about healthy recipes that we can do quickly. Our daily struggle basically with our very busy lives is that we don't have, you know, time to prepare sometimes a full on.
We either eat the kids' leftovers,
exactly,
or you know,
and that's not a good diet. So basically, we are trying to find out quick recipes that we can do, you know, and prepare them together. Hopefully it will inspire you to even do it yourself. I'm going to start putting in the feta cheese in the wrap, and what I'm going to do is squish a bit the feta cheese so that's not that bulky, you know. I'm going to cut off this. Are you okay with it if I cut off this piece?
Yeah.
Because it's very hard.
Don't really like that part anyway.
This feta cheese is infused with garlic oil, as you can see.
Love garlic.
And it's very, very good. And I can't imagine the combination with the salmon.
You know what? Just talking about it and thinking about it, my mouth is kind of watering.
Okay, so
I want to get lots of water because it will be draining.
That's it.
It's just. we put some Maltese words here and there without even realizing.
Exactly.
Like if you hear us say mela,
that's
or issa. Is it too thick?
I'm gonna cut it actually.
It's one piece. It should be like.
You see how.
But we have how many?
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna cut it.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Not the whole part. It's overpowering, so you don't need.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Just a bit will go a long way.
You see, that is enough.
It's like when you have like a sushi.
Exactly. You want to go in for wrapping it?
You can do the first one.
And it's gonna be the first one. So shall we go in like, no. Like this, right?
No, I think you need to put the sides.
Put this side as well.
So it closes. Oh.
Okay, and then I'm going to press and push in, you know, the ingredients.
Just the same
And that's
method
it.
that you would use
You see?
with a regular wrap.
And that's
And then
our
we have the
first.
first one.
You want to try the next one?
Okay, yeah, we'll try the next one. Mela. How many you did?
I did around 4 or 5, something like that.
Ah, that much?
And I mashed them in the lettuce. Just so you can do 4 for that because it seems...
They're big. Oh.
Yeah, big.
Depends on the lettuce, I guess, as well.
Correct. The size varies, so... This is gonna be our lunch today, eh?
Yes.
I hope it's enough. I think it's filling.
I think we can take another snack in the evening if I plan to eat today. So, but I'm gonna have some 1 minute steak.
Oh, okay,
With
okay,
peas.
that's nice. Okay,
With that much, or you did
it's
some
good.
more?
What I did is
You broke it a little bit. Oh,
this one, and then it won't.
Mela. Go in.
The salmon is still alive. And that's it, perfect.
Okay.
Let's do another.
That's quite easy.
Yeah, it's quite easy. When you get the hang of rolling it, you know,
You know
and
what we
pushing
can
in
do?
the
Let's. So we know we have enough ingredients.
spread them.
I don't mind if the feta is not mashed either.
Okay, it's fine.
We put everything and then
Yeah,
because it's quite hard to mash it on this.
it's fine. We have. Shall I get another lettuce or?
We could have gone with more salmon, to be honest.
It depends how overpowering it is.
Yes,
Because
it is.
I have a feeling that
It's very salty.
Yeah,
it's very salty. It's
overpowering.
very salty.
And I think it would bother us to have that.
Let me make you a few feta so we can speed things up, kind of thing.
Yeah. Oh, the tomatoes with the cucumbers.
It's like a Greek salad, kind of.
Yeah, it's smelling so nice, huh?
Mela. You're good. Oh yeah, again. What the hell? You need to get used to us. We're Maltese, so you're gonna hear that from time to time.
Exactly.
Maybe we'll make T-shirts one day with Umela.
I think I say
Umela,
exactly a lot of times as well. So I'm gonna make a T-shirt. You know,
Exactly. That would be funny. I would buy that.
Exactly. Cleaning up while cooking is good. That's not the case at my house.
No, neither is mine.
My husband says I'm very, very messy.
They all say that.
But
they
who
don't
does?
do better.
Exactly, who does the washing up later on? So I'm gonna get it here. Thank you.
You think you need to be very gentle with the lettuce, but not really.
Yeah, so this is our final result, and basically we have our salmon wraps ready to eat. So let's do a taste test.
Of course,
We have to taste them.
try
Yeah,
it.
we have to. So shall I put them
let's
like that?
go
Just
ahead.
go in.
Of course.
Okay.
Have your pick.
You start.
I start. Okay.
You start.
I'm gonna have this little small one here.
I'm gonna go for the big one because I'm hungry. It's good. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna slice it. You see how it comes?
My God, the feta cheese with the salmon. And you know what? You always tell me how much you crave crunch.
I love this, yeah.
But this is crunchy.
And the garlic.
And the garlic.
This is very good. I think you should try this at home.
So I don't know how much calories it does have at this moment. However, I will put them on the screen somewhere.
Yeah.
Because
I honestly don't think it has that much.
No, probably there is a little bit because
feta.
of the feta cheese but you know, they're healthy fats in a way.
And the amount of salmon we put is the right amount, huh? At least it's not that, you know.
I may have put a little bit more at the end.
I honestly think I would go for it as a quick lunch every day. Because as you know, I love the crunch.
Yeah, that's what I thought as well.
And when you eat, you know, pizza, chips, the bread, there's that crunch, you know, that you crave. And this gives me it. So
Yeah, that's what I thought.
might as well go for something healthy.
The first
It's
time I
messy.
tried lettuce like this, I did lettuce tacos.
Oh, okay. So with the beef.
Yeah, I did chili con carne, and with a dollop of cream cheese on top. And the taste, like, it was during, I think it's when I was making the keto diet.
Okay. We should try that and show it to our audience.
This is 10 out of 10.
As Shirley was saying, this is 10 out of 10.
We hope you like this, and if you did like this, you know what you have to do, right? You have to like the video, comment down below like what other recipes you would like us to try or suggest that we make so we taste them, if you have any suggestions. And and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time, right?
Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Bye. I hope I don't have lettuce in my teeth. Hey, if you're new here, check out the video where we share how this whole journey started. Also, don't forget to show us some love and hit that subscribe button. See ya!